Okay, hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Compliments of the season. I wish you happy new year for this blessed 2020 that we have seen. So I want to show you the new update on how to sign up for Clickbank in Nigeria. I want to show you the new updates, how you can create your Clickbank account in Nigeria. So before we look at it, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I want you to do that. Click the notification bell and also subscribe to it, so anytime I upload information on how to make money online or affiliate marketing, you're able to be notified and get the real information so that you're able to apply it on your business. Also, after this particular video, I want you to comment. If you have any issues, just comment right down below. I'm going to attend to it. In the next 24 hours, you are going to see me attending to your comments. So right here today, I want to show you the updates on how to register Clickbank in Nigeria, especially in this year 2020. It seems that Clickbank is now giving us opportunity. You know, it was so difficult for some country, especially Nigeria is among, that are not accepted to register for Clickbank affiliate programs. But based on their updates now in their system, I think they are trying to include Nigeria now. So we don't know their next action, but what we are saying now that based on their updates, Nigeria will be also maybe included in it. So there are 4 stages you need to take now. So for now, temporarily, the server is not working. I think they are working on it. So for those that have used the former way and you are already registered, there is no problem for you. So you have scaled through. Is for those that want to register now. I think that is where we need to wait and see what Clickbank want to do. So now what is obtainable now, it is 4 stages. You are going to use 4 stages before you can register for Clickbank. There's 4 stages that you need to take. So let us see it. This is the article from Clickbank site. So we have 4 stages that you need to take to register for a Clickbank program. See, these are the 4 stages that you need to take. These 4 stages. The 4 stages, that is what you need to take before you can register for a Clickbank affiliate program. And the 4 stages are, look at it. See? So, phase 1, you sign up for Clickbank account. So, in this stage 1 that you can sign up, everybody, I think before Nigeria is not included, but now as soon as you start working on it, you see Nigeria, you can use your real name, you can use the phone number instead of generating a fake name, you can use your real name. So the phase 2 aspect, you are going to complete the Clickbank profile. That is where you put this stage 2, phase 2, I mean, that is where the Nigerian problem will still arise. So here, what they need there is your payee, that is your real name and your address now. So you are going to put your normal address there because you register with your Nigerian address. You don't need to change your IP. So at this point, you are going to complete it by putting your profile, your normal profile. But this place, what is included there for everybody that want to do it now is you are going to include your tax payee ID. So you need your tax payee ID, whether your business payee ID or your employed payee ID here. So that this is where it is included. So if you have not, I think this is a good chance for you now to register your business online. You can do it. I think it's very cheap, with maybe 10,000 something, and you can use that opportunity to get your business ID here. So you need to prepare that if you want to make 2020 a business year and you know you want to earn from that. So all these are things you need to put in place now and work. So this place you have to complete it, and after you have done that, stage 3, you are going to create a Clickbank account. So at this stage you will log in, so everybody can sign up now by with what we are saying. Then you go ahead and complete your profile, and at this particular point you now create your account. Then from the third stage you can now update your information. So at this point, when you want to create your account, is either you go as a vendor or you go as an affiliate here. So let us look at through the articles. You don't need to change your IP or download any VPN to change your IP again, because this one they have given instruction even what you need to do if you are doing your stage 1. If you look at it, let's scroll down, look at stage 1 now. So now your browser, any browser you want to, you are using Firefox, are using in stage 1. So all your browser, you look at it, the browser you have to, they ask you to work on them. They give what you need to do. You have to go to the setting and try to enable your privacy, the JavaScript, and also you are going to enable the cookies, so that allow Clickbank site. Look at Chrome if you are using Chrome also. So we have Internet Explorer, we have Firefox, we have Chrome, and they have given all steps for you to take to enable it. So like for example, so like on the Chrome now, you click on setting, there will be a drop down, then you go on advanced setting, then you locate the privacy security section. So then you allow the JavaScript and also allow the cookies data. So these are depending on browser you are using for you to accomplish the first stage. So the second stage, after you have done it, then the sign up form where you put your profile form, there is the second stage. While the third stage is you enter your basic, you create your Clickbank account and you join. Then so that is for phase 1. So phase 2, look at phase 2, unnecessary information, you see it in phase 1. So this is phase 2, you complete, you follow phase 2, and then all what I have explained, and phase 4 you save, phase 3, look at the phase 3 now, the stage 3, you create your account, then you come, look at all what you need to do in stage 3. Then stage 4 you update your payment section. So I think the only difficult thing now, if they are done with what they are doing, they are still updating what they are doing, I believe Nigeria will be among the country that will be allowed to register for Clickbank programs. But you have to go and work on get your pay ID done. If you want to go in that way, you have to get your pay ID done, so that you go in that way. Before we used to go through United Kingdom, because they are not allowed, if you are from there, to supply your pay ID before. Yes, I know they have ways of collecting their tax payments from there, because Clickbank, based on this article, they do pay tax. So look at it. If you want to get the article, you can search for it. You can search for the article. So just go to support.clickbank.com/ac/en US article, then you see it, sign up. So these are new details now. So if you try to open new Clickbank accounts now, because as soon, this is what's at this point, and you will get to a point that say the server is temporary not available. I think they are doing their update now. So this is just the update for how to register for Clickbank updates in 2020. I believe as a Nigerian, if you want to earn more through Clickbank affiliate marketing, then you just have to go and prepare down, get your pay IDs. Very simple. If you can get it from the place you are working, if you are not done that, if you are not working in a place, you are self-employed, you just have to register a business. Just do a business name, very simple, CAC, and from there you proceed to FIRS to get your tax payment, which will make you to you know that you are ready for business this particular season. So I'm going to my next video, I'm going to show you how you can do affiliate marketing also in Nigeria, if Clickbank, where you can make your quick money. So expect that my video. Also, I will put a link down on the description. I have I'm planning for a program, a pro program that I'm going to put as many that will join me, so that we learn all the acts and putting everything in place, so that we're able to learn from the pro program. It's going to be a paid program, but for as many that are my subscriber here, I'm going to give them a discount. So there will be a link on the description below. So I want you to click on the link, sign up, so that I will put you among my VIP dance. So as soon the programs, as soon the training class is up for a discount price, you are going to be informed. So it's not going to be public thing like this now. So we are doing it, I'm preparing down and putting everything in place. So I want you to subscribe, I want you to comment, also like this video, share to people, subscribe, also put your comment down. I will attend to them concerning Clickbank, concerning making money online. So also be expecting my next video. And also I want you to sign up for the VIP discount training program that is coming up. Our packaging, everything is for you. Thank you for watching.